Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Delightful Creations. I'm Amber, and today's the day, guys. We're going to pick a winner! Hooray! For our November giveaway, the person will receive a digital from JD's Etsy shop, Willowbound Journals, and they will also receive 4 Christmas cards that I've made. So I'm going to draw the winner, and then I will show you the cards that I've made. So I have the link in here. I say filter duplicate users. Grab my YouTube comments. It looks like there's 16. So let's go ahead and start. Good luck, everybody. Oh my gosh, how exciting. And the winner would be Don't Wake Me Up, which is Ronnie. But I already know that she doesn't want to be entered. So I'm going to go ahead and draw another winner. And we'll see who the next winner will be. Yay. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. The next winner is Cindy Clark. Love watching Uni's videos and would love her collage paper pack 4. Nice to be viewing your channel now. Thanks for your generosity. Well, congratulations, Miss Cindy. You have won the collage pack 4. I will go ahead, contact JD, get that link, and have her email it to you, or I'll email it. We haven't quite figured out those details. Now, let's go ahead and take a peek at all the different Christmas cards that I've made. I made a few on camera, and then I finished off the rest of them. So, the first one, I have Merry Christmas. On the inside of all of these, they are blank, but they have different build-up. So there's a background and then your writing space. So we have a Merry Christmas in green. We have a Merry Christmas in the red. Some are landscape and some are portrait style. And we have a Merry Christmas with a tag on it with that same green paper. Very pretty. We also have this one. Season's Greetings with a lot of gold and plaid, and I kept that pattern the same on the inside with some more plaid. I will also include regular envelopes for these, just plain white. Here's our Joy to the World card and plaid on the inside of that. I thought that was super fun. And then we have another Season's Greetings with our red snowflake. That one is green on the inside. I made this sweet little one this morning, trying to hurry up and finish these for the video. It says Merry and Bright with a little snowman and green on the inside of that one. Then we've got our chimney, again, Season's Greetings. Oh my gosh, super cute with red. Our little snowman one that I pulled out of my stash, and that one is red as well. And then the very last one, I kept it really, really simple. It just says Merry Christmas. And on the inside of that one, I did do a little bit of gold background paper just to give it a little pizzazz. So Miss Cindy, if you will email me your address so I can send you out the 4 choice cards that you would like to receive, and we'll work on getting you that Etsy. So congratulations, Miss Cindy. We'll talk to everybody real soon. Bye, guys.